Welcome back to the exciting world of digital forensics. Ever wondered what a digital forensics expert does? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break it down for you and give you a glimpse into the fascinating work of these cyber detectives. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech-savvy content. Alright, let's jump right in. Evidence collection. First up, digital forensics experts are like modern-day detectives. They collect digital evidence from various sources, such as computers, smartphones, and servers. It's all about preserving that evidence. Just like preserving a crime scene, they use special tools to make an exact, forensically sound copy of the data. This ensures that the original evidence remains untouched and intact. Data analysis. Once they've collected the data, it's time for some serious analysis. Digital forensics experts dive deep into the digital ocean, searching for files, emails, chat logs, and more. They're like digital archaeologists uncovering clues. They even recover deleted data. Think of it as bringing back deleted chapters from a digital book. Timeline reconstruction. But it doesn't stop there. These experts create a timeline of events, just like piecing together a puzzle. This helps them understand the sequence of activities and possibly even identify the culprits. It's all about connecting the dots. Network forensics, looking at network logs. Now, when we're talking about cyber attacks, these experts also investigate network traffic and logs. They're on the lookout for unauthorized access and suspicious activities within computer networks. It's like unraveling a digital mystery. Expert witness testimony. In some cases, digital forensics experts become real-life heroes. They might be called upon to testify in court, explaining their findings and how they relate to the case. It's like being a digital detective on the witness stand. The truth always comes to light. Reporting and conclusion. They wrap it all up with a comprehensive report. These reports summarize their findings, methodologies, and conclusions. They're like the digital storybooks of an investigation. And that's how a digital forensics expert brings justice to the digital world. So, there you have it. The life of a digital forensics expert is a thrilling journey through the digital realm. If you found this video informative and intriguing, give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.